We slept on opposite ends of the house.
My husband was wearing earplugs.
Would usually wake up feeling extremely tired.
Snoring affects more than just your sleep. It impacts your health, your job, and your family. The Snoring Center can help. We're the nation's leading provider of minimally invasive treatments for snoring and sleep apnea.
Once you're rested, you even get up with a little more energy.
It's a huge improvement. It's made a big difference in our lives.
It's a miracle.
Stop snoring, sleep better. Call the Snoring Center today.